Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a chill day in the life of a mom of two. Normally my day starts pretty early, but today we're doing a chill, relaxing Monday. My kids got up around 6:30. I moseyed on out of bed around 8, which is really late for me. I went and threw on some workout clothes, got a quick workout in, and then decided to come inside and make some coffee. So yeah, here's making some coffee. I like my coffee really sweet, if you haven't noticed, by all the syrups and stuff, but I don't like the taste of coffee. Fun fact about me, but I love drinking iced coffee. So I'm going to take you through my chill day in the life with 2 kids as a stay-at-home mom. This is pretty an average chill day. We're on Christmas break right now, so there's no real rush or need to go anywhere. And most things here in California are shut down anyways. So we're just kind of hanging at home, and here's what a normal chill day in the life looks like.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for...
Okay, I have to share this drill attachment I just got on Amazon. It got delivered yesterday. So my husband and I are loving it. As soon as we got it all figured out, he ran to the bathroom to try it on the bathroom tile. And then I needed to clean out some of the grout just from kids eating and foot traffic and all that stuff. So I used the attachment for linoleum and just went to town, and you can see it cleaned up a lot of the dirt in the grout, and I'm really happy with how it works. So I highly recommend. I got it on Amazon, and I will link it below for you.
You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden. Our gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, our gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, our gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am gold, I'm golden.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Felt like it was way more than a dream.
So usually I get about a shower and makeup done before this one wakes up from her nap. And then I can actually blow dry my hair because it's really loud and it would have woken her up anyways. Did you have a good nap? You shy? She's always very cuddly and sensitive when she wakes up. Huh? What do you got? You got bread? You having a snack? Time to do hair.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. We're riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. We're standing on the dizzying highs. We're standing on the dizzying highs. Standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I. We're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying highs. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I. We're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying highs.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
Okay, you gotta find number, let's see. What number are we on? Hold on, we gotta find 19. Well, then come to it. We're waiting on you. No, yep, that's 9, right here.
Oh.
We gotta find 19, 20, and 21. We're a little behind.
Yeah.
Okay, find 19.
19. I found 19 right here.
Right there.
I'm 19.
Did you find 19? Yep, good job. Pick it out. Here, put this down so you can get it out right here.
No.
Okay.
That's right.
Sissy's doing it. You got it?
No.
Right there. That was 19. Oh, you're trying to get it out?
Look, Mama, we're so close here.
Okay, can I? Okay, grab it. There you go.
I got a shell.
Oh, it's a wreath. Damn it. Now you gotta do 20. That was 19. We're behind. Right here, right here. No, no, no. Okay, that wasn't the right one. 19 was here. You did 24 already.
What does it say?
You're kind of just destroying it, going. You need to find 20.
What does the word?
20 is a 2 and a 0.
No, I mean, where are these on the calendar?
Let's look. Oop, it's over and it has presents in it.
It's right here.
Good. Hey, that's not the right one, silly. It's this one. Silly Billy. That one stays
Have
back
you
on
done
there.
3? Yes. Mommy, I'm
Yeah.
doing that.
Okay, we'll tape it. It's okay. Pick this one. Ooh.
And 3.
Yeah, number 20. Oh, good job.
What's this?
What's it gonna be? What is that?
I don't know.
It looks like. Let me see. Oh, it's bells.
Bells?
Yeah, it's bells with some holly on it. Okay, now you gotta find 21.
Come on, go. One.
Yep, now you gotta find 21. We're on that one. Yep, good job.
That's nice.
Right. That's 23. Right here. This one. There you go. All
Oh
right.
my gosh, it has got.
Look at all that. Yeah, look. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go.
I can't get it out.
Oh, goodness. Girl, you don't break it. My little brute. Okay. Here, bend it. Now pop it out. Pull it out. Good job.
I
All
got
right.
a bear.
You did. Okay, that one's done.
Come on,
Did you find it?
it?
Good job. Yep, all done. Now tomorrow's going to be 22.
Now we have 4 days left.
To be wilder, I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
You had me at hello. 'Cause where you go is where I go.
Is that yummy?
Room.
Yeah. You gonna have some lunch? Uh-oh. Oh, you want a spoon? Hey, can we ask nicely? Please? Please? Thank you.
Hey, someday, someday.
Okay, since I probably will have people that ask about what vitamins, so this one is a D. This one is a D3. This one's a biotin for hair, skin, nails. This one's my allergy pill. This one's a B12. This one's a zinc, and this one is a magnesium, and this is a vitamin C. And then I take 2 of these Goli gummy vitamins, or ACV vitamins, because they're much better than the actual apple cider vinegar shots. I do have a code if you guys want to try these. The code is Mama Bear Reviews, and it is for 5% off, but they're having some crazy good sales that you can actually use the code on top of the 3 and 5 packs and get extra savings. So if you want to try that out, I will link it in the description. And now I'm going to take my vitamins.
I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need. Don't you need it too?
'Cause I got you, and you got me too. You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I got the kiddos jammies on. They're watching Frozen 2. I'm gonna curl up with them and, you know, snuggle up for the night and put them to bed, edit this video, and get some work done. So yeah, today was a chill day in the life, stay-at-home mom with 2 girls, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see my nighttime routine, I will link that down below, as well as all the other stuff I had mentioned. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.